Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. My name is Erica and today I have an after dark laundry motivation video for you. I wanted to make things cozy and settle in because I had a lot to do. I even brought the laundry downstairs from the laundry room to the dining room for a change of scenery to motivate myself. Grab your own pile of laundry or your to-do list and let's work on it together. Also, make sure to subscribe to my channel for lots more motivation. Now, let's get started.
I just don't know if I'll dance with the lights on. If you're gonna be moving on solo, wait a second, cause they're playing the best song. I'll be there if you reach out to me.
On most days I do a load of laundry each day, but as I mentioned in my last video, I took a short break from that. Having that break really proved to me that I prefer doing a little laundry each day versus mounds of it every 5 days or so. Our whole system revolves around doing daily laundry, so when we don't do that, everything kind of gets out of whack. I only have one laundry basket for all 4 of us, and for some clothing we're a bit minimal, so waiting to do laundry doesn't really match with those practices.
Completely upside down. And since you've been gone, there's no peace of mind. A foolish heart and healing thought I would be fine. No matter where I lay my head, another town, another bed. No matter what I do, I'm still gonna be dreaming of you. No matter who I try to love, it's always you I'm thinking of. No matter what I do, I'm still gonna be dreaming of you. Your silhouette dancing on the wall. I try to close my eyes, but then I hear you call. Yeah, your perfume that I still can scent. But every time I think these scars about to mend. No matter where I lay my head, another town, another bed. No matter what I do, I'm still gonna be dreaming of you. No matter who I try.
If you're getting value or entertainment from this video today, make sure to like the video, subscribe, and turn the notification bell to all so that you never miss a weekly video.
Of you. Nobody got the magic touch. How you make my heart rush. Why is that so hard to find? Nothing better than your kiss. Something that I can't resist. Can't forget the nights you were mine. Oh, no, no. Oh, no, no. Still gonna be dreaming of you. No matter where I lay my head, another town, another bed. And no matter what I do, I'm still gonna be dreaming of you. No matter who I try to love, it's always you I'm thinking of. No matter what I do, I'm still gonna be dreaming of you. No, no, no. Yeah, yeah. I'm still gonna be dreaming, still gonna be dreaming of you.
I also had a bunch of clothes that needed to be hung up. I did that after I finished filming, thinking that it would only take a minute, but it actually took a while. All the steps of laundry can be so time consuming, especially if it gets backed up.
You're gone now, but you're coming back. Yeah, I know that. Yeah, I know that. You're the traveling kind. It's a known fact. Yeah, I know that. Once you've seen all the things, all the places, I hope it means that you'll come home to me.
One of the girls' drawers had gotten disorganized, so I wanted to make sure to refold everything in it and also take out some of the items she'd outgrown. They were already sleeping when I folded laundry, but I remembered to take out her drawer before she went to bed. If you have kids, do you bother to try to keep their clothes drawer organized?
I hope I'll be your life-changing sensation. I hope I'll be something that you won't let go. I'll be your high when you fall down low. I hope I'll be your end destination. You're far away and yet so close. Yeah, I feel that. Yeah, I feel that. Yeah, you're up in space. You're inside the noise. I can feel you. Once you've seen all the things, all the places, I hope it means that you'll come home to me. Once you've traveled the world, all the spaces inside your heart. I hope I'll be your end destination. I hope I'll be your life-changing sensation. I hope I'll be something that you won't let go. I'll be your high when you fall down low. I hope I'll be your end destination. You're gone now, but you're coming back. Yeah, I know that. Yeah, I know that. You're the traveling kind. It's a known fact. Yeah, I know that. I hope I'll be your end destination. I hope I'll be your life-changing sensation. I hope I'll be something that you won't let go. I'll be your high when you fall down low. I hope I'll be your end destination.
Thank you so much for spending some of your time with me today. I hope you check something off your to-do list, and I'll see you next time. Bye.